How's it going? Welcome to the introductory video for the Kettering Makerspace. This is located near Battenberg Cafe in a little alcove nearby. My name is Dan Abidov. I'm one of 6 student workers here. Us student workers are generally in the room around 12 to 8 p.m. Mondays through Fridays and 4 to 8 p.m. on the weekends. The access to the room will be through a QR code that's above the ID card scanner, immediately next to the entrance of the room. If you've taken IME 100, you'll be able to scan that ID card and then you'll get access. For the fire extinguisher, there is one located in the front left corner of the room if you're facing the entrance, and there's 2 first aid kits, one immediately by the entrance and one on top of the fire extinguisher. Please be aware of where those are at all times when you're in the room. This is one of the 3D printing stations in the Makerspace. It is located to the right when you walk into the room. We have 6 3D printers here, 2 Creality CR10 Smarts, 2 CR30s, which are the Infinite Z printers behind me, and then 2 Ender 5 S1s. We also have 2 MakerBot Method X's, which you'll see later. Filament is free for students to use. If there's ever an issue with one of the printers or you're just not sure how to use it, please make sure to contact a student worker at lcmakerspace_sw@kettering.edu. This is our vacuum oven. Please make sure to do an extensive read-through of the user manual before attempting to use. If you aren't 100% sure on how to use it, please contact the student workers. Make sure to take proper safety precautions when using the vacuum oven, including making sure you're aware of where the fire extinguisher is, as well as not leaving it on for extensive periods of time. Behind me are our MakerBot Method X's, as well as the support cleaning apparatus that comes along with them. Both of these printers can use soluble supports, which the support cleaning apparatus is for. Both of these machines produce heat. Please make sure not to burn yourself on them. User manuals are located via a QR code on each machine. Please make sure to extensively read through the user manual before attempting to use each machine. If you are unaware of how to use anything, please contact student workers, as always. This is our NC pocket mill. Please make sure that at all times the machine is in use, that this chamber is closed. The user manual for the machine is located on this QR code on the machine. If you are unsure of how to use it specifically, please contact the student workers. This is our general workbench. We have a wide variety of tools available for you to use here, including some power tools. When using the power tools, please make sure to wear proper safety protection, including earplugs and safety glasses. Also, do not wear any loose clothing, anything with drawstrings, any necklaces, things like that, as if they get caught up in the tool, that's quite disastrous. Another thing I will stress, on the simpler tools, like a safety knife, please make sure to be very careful when using these. Razor blades are the most dangerous tool in a workshop that cause the most injuries. This is our soldering station. We do provide several different gauges of solder, as well as soldering irons free for students to use. These tools do get quite hot, to the tune of 700 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Please be very careful when using them. Solder emits toxic fumes when it's melted. Please make sure to use this fume extractor that we provide to make sure to keep yourself safe, as well as others in the room. One last thing that I want to reiterate through this video is that there are designated areas for food and drink. Please don't have them at other places, especially workstations, because that poses an overall safety risk to everyone else in the space. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.